Hi, this is Priyanka. I'm here to present my final project for CISSP, and my company's name is PS Solutions, which majorly deals with e-commerce. And about the company, we are PS Solutions, which is globally an IT company that provides website designing, website development, SEO, and internet marketing solutions. Since our entry in the industry, we have provided high quality services to our clients from various sectors. We are a team of strategists, designers, engineers, and creative technical people, all experienced and multi talented. PS Solutions takes great pride in providing technical support in designing websites and other services to help brands create their right online presence, which is crucial for businesses. We help companies bring services and great products in the market. We help them connect with their audience and transform their businesses. PS Solutions create digital brands and remodel web platform for businesses by providing tailored solutions. We majorly serve retail and e-commerce customers, and our departments are marketing, sales, IT, networking, and database, customer service, HR, and training. The key members of the organization are Chief Executive Officer, Chief Security Officer, and Chief Financial Officer. So the main head would be the CEO, under who CFO and CSO are there. CFO has three departments, which is marketing, sales, and customer service, and CSO has IT, networking, and the HR department. And each department has 18 PCs. So for the networking design and configuration, the intermediary devices selected are PCs, like I mentioned earlier, 18 PCs in each department, which to each and every staff, personalized, and switches, routers, hubs, and servers, cables for the connectivity and everything. And here is just the layout of how the configuration looks like. The headquarters, which is connected to a router and then to another router, and the switch, the 5 customer services, the client portals. And the headquarters has all the 6 departments with their devices in there. And for the asset inventory, physical PCs are involved, and in physical assets we have PCs for each and every department and the price for that, and software which is required for the PCs, and the data which is required for the software. The asset valuation, which has internal and the customer asset inventory. Internal includes all the departments such as and the headquarters, like IT, customer service, sales, and marketing. The physical assets for each and every department in these 4 categories are about $14,400 and $16,200 for networking and HR. The data assets for each and every department individually is $250,400, and the software assets for each and every department is $10,800. And for the customer asset inventory, the physical assets are each PC, like each and every customer cluster has 5 PCs. So physical assets for each PC in each cluster is $4,400, and the data assets are 2,050 and $400. I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. It's $250,400, and the software assets are 4,000 each cluster. So these are the threats and vulnerabilities that I've identified. One is the SSH, which is wherein telnet packets can be read in clear text. So secure shell protocol is an option but has security issue in version 1. And the other one is the database attack, because this e-commerce has a lot of data in there. An attacker can try to attack the database server by entering the server and by using different database entry techniques. And the other one is the VLAN hopping, by altering VLAN ID on packet encapsulator for trunking and attacking device can send or receive packets on various VLANs, bypass layer 3 security measures. And the other one is spoofing attack. An attacking device can enhance the address space available to DHCP server for a period of time, or establish an HTTP server in man-in-the-middle attack. The last one is CDP reconnaissance attack. It is enabled on all Cisco devices by default. CDP automatically discover the other CDP-enabled devices and help automatically configure them from their connection. The risk assessment has 4 things to concentrate on, which is the annual rate of occurrence. For the first one, which is SSH, it is 3, and for the second one, it is the annual rate of occurrence is 1, and the third one, the annual rate of occurrence is 3, and the fourth one, the annual rate of occurrence is 2, and the last one, CDP attack, the annual rate of occurrence is 1. And the risk priority is given as on the PowerPoint, and so is the cost impact for each and every risk, and so is the SLE and ALE for both of them. And the risk assignment determination is given as for each and everything. We accept it, or we deny it, or we transfer it to another department, or we assign the risk to one department, one or the other department. So the first one, which is SSH, is being assigned to the IT department, and the control family is admin control and technical control and physical control. That goes for all the departments. And the control type is recovery. And these are the recommendations given for each and every risk. And the second one, we accept the risk. Which is a database attack. We accept it because, like I mentioned, database is priority in our company. So the control family is admin, technical, and physical again, and the control type is preventive. We would like to prevent and store our data safe and secure. So these are the recommendations given, and we strictly follow them. And the third one, which is a VLAN hopping, so we transfer it to the networking department, and the control family is the same, and the control type is directive. So these are the recommendations that we provide. And the fourth one is spoofing attacks, wherein the control family is again admin, technical, and physical, and we transfer it to the networking department, wherein we try to recover it. These are the recommendations provided for this attack. And the last one, CDP attack, we again transfer this to networking department, and the control family is again technical and admin control. We try to recover it, and these are the recommendations given to each and every. So overall, we try to protect our customers' data as much as possible so that we can provide a lot of customers, when they go online, they are very scared to provide their data because it is very, they may just not be sure of what's going to happen. So that's why we give them that assurance that whatever information that they enter on our website, the apps that we have created, that it'll be safe and secure. At the same time, we provide our merchants great services by creating by taking their requirements for their app and giving them the best services that we could from our end so that they can retain their customers and we can retain our customers from our end. And I thank you so much for listening to my presentations.
तो अभी रुक जाए, एक बार मैं करता हूँ तो ये अगर लगे ना कुछ इम्प्रूव करना फिर से कर लेंगे।
टाइम ही नहीं हुआ है।